Welcome back to the Venrap Radio. Wow, guys. I know you might be asking yourself, what the heck is he talking about, guys? As you can see on the screen, there's a new app uh, which have been, which have been released by ETV. It's called EVOD. This app, man, you can watch different shows. It can be the show that you're trying to catch up on the show. It can be a show that you already watched. It can be a movie. It can be series. It can be like you can even fast forward. Like let's say you want to watch something. Like I was trying to watch. What do you call these guys? House of Zwide. So you can try. You can even watch what is not yet on TV, like the way it's designed, which means, but to do that, you need to have subscribed and you can fast forward. It allows you to fast forward and watch the other episode that have not played probably thing on TV. And come on, it's a very nice application. Let me just see here. Let me see if I can get it, guys. I have it already. Yeah, you know, this is the application. I don't know if you can see it right there. I can just go in here. Let me just do this. I can just scroll, as you can see, like this different episodes. Like there's a lot of things that you can watch, man. From Indian and Korean drama, reality, documentaries, e-dramas, Heritage Month now, which means, and Microblast. Man, you have what is trending. Like there's lots and lots that you can watch here. The original content that was created by the ETV team, you can have it here. Like let's just say, as I told you, when I spoke about the fast forward, I just click, if you can see there, I just clicked the fast forward for the House of Zwide. So because I'm not subscribed to fast forward as yet, so that means I can't watch it. It needs me to sign. Let me just see. Let me see what I'm gonna get here. Yeah, it will need me to sign up with my cell phone number. Okay, I'm not logged in. Yeah, I'll need to sign up on this one. I need to sign up for the fast forward. So this is a dope app which I think everybody should have, man. And I'm looking forward to see more of the local content here. Like you can see, original. Let me just click view all. As you can see, you have like your hustler, hustler. You have Ispindiselo, Atlantis, Harvest, Matatiela, Bondiwe, traffic. Like, man, the list is endless. I don't know why you don't have this as yet. And the nice thing about it is, you still get the 4 gig monthly from MTN, man. Like, you get 4 gig, like 4 gig free to watch, like monthly. Come on. Like, really? Yeah? Come on. Yeah? I'm telling you. So, yeah, man, I'm hoping you guys going to download it. I'm going to try to drop the link that will take you through to their page. Yeah, I'm going to drop the link that takes you to their page. You can download this app from your Google Play. You can download it also on iPhone, like on your iStore. And you can watch this because those other episodes, like your catch-up things, you can watch them for free here. Like when I'm saying free, is because they give you the 4 gig, and you're watching it. Yeah, on this. EVOD. Come on. ETV video on demand. So make sure that you check it out. And come on, you don't want to lose. You don't want to miss out and say, Ash, but I have to wait for Saturday to watch an omnibus of this and this. You can just watch the episode from here. You can fast forward or you can catch up. So make sure that you check it out. I'm loving this. I'm hoping to see more content here. More content being released, more South African content being released. I'm hoping even most of the guys, they might release, maybe they will have a platform where you can also allow guys to release, what is not on TV, but you can still watch it. Like our local filmmakers, like different people can also have their content up here. Kind of be like a YouTube kind of thing, But yeah, man, I'm just saying. I'm not saying they're going to do it. I'm just saying I'm hoping to see more of different things coming up on this app. This is a very nice thing. Very, very dope. Very nice, very dope. I'm happy that something new, instead of we always consuming other people's stuff from outside. Right now we have our own, like our own streaming. Streamy. You can do your subscription, you get an OTP and you activate. You can also do this by just streaming those ones that are free, like your normal catch up, and they will be giving you that data that that you watch every month. It's not for going to the internet, guys. No. It's something that you just go. How can I put it? It's something that you will need to use for streaming. I'm trying to go here, see if I can show you that I can catch up. Because some people must think like, nah, you can't catch up. I'm seeing. Why is this thing taking long for me to load? Okay, seems like it's logging me out. Okay, yeah, I'm signed out. I don't know how I signed out. Because I was in earlier on. Maybe the session got expired. You see? So when I'm signing in, my OTP just already got sent. I'm validating, verifying, done. So quickly, I'm signing in. And as you can see, it's signing in. I'm in now. So let's see what I can catch up on. Okay. This is the one I was trying to catch up earlier on. So you can see here, I just press. Oh, I don't know if you can see, but let me do this. So I just press and then it's load, depending on the fast of you, how fast is your network, ne? Because, okay. And yeah, man, I already have the advert playing because I'm watching the catch up, which is free. So already this is dope, man. Like, okay, it's about to go and finish. You can't skip the ad, which I understand, because people have to advertise. Like, is this like a normal TV? You can't skip the ad, Baba. Yeah. Okay. A few seconds left, and then, yeah, we go and watch the House of Zwide. Okay. I have the second advert that is playing. Same like on TV where you have 2-3 adverts, but this is just the second one. EVOD, and let's go. As I told you, you see, go straight and play. Because right now I'm not subscribed to the premium. Like, I'm not a premium subscriber, but you see, yeah. So I'm catching up, and then let's see how far I'm gonna try to go to the episode that I haven't played. Okay, this is episode number what? One. Okay. This episode. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to practice to use this thing. I think I need to. Yeah. So, but I'll try to go to episode number 37. Let's see if I can go to. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go to the episode that I haven't played. You know. So you see right here already, it tells you to subscribe. You see, you need to subscribe in order, and then cheap 29 rand a month. So what are you waiting for, guys? What are you waiting for? Check out this app, and yeah, man, you can watch as much as you want, man. You watch all these things, and then you have, for that 29 bucks, you have the access to all this content that have been on TV, like for 29 bucks for 30 days. So yeah, man. I'm say big up to MTN and ETV for giving us this dope application. I'm supporting it. I'm hoping to see more of this, and as it grows and grows and grows and grows, and give us more content, something that you can watch. And yeah, thank you for the data. Ne amara here ndiwafuna zone ndaw yandona. The EVOD. You love it, stream it. Find it, love it, stream it.